What's up, everybody? So the day has come. Finally have an error on the ET-8550. This one, it looks like it may be a blown fuse. I had this error a lot on the XP15000, and it was usually caused by some type of blown fuse. Another issue it might, or another thing that might be causing it is some type of obstruction or something inside the printer. I just recently taped the print head width sensor underneath the print head, and that may be causing it as well. Also, when I put the print head back in, I forgot to do some screws. I forgot like 4 main screws to actually lock down um, the part where the dampers or carts go inside the print head. So I don't know if that's the issue either, but right now, yeah, I have this issue, and I have to, yeah. So with this error right now, I can't move over the print head, so that's kind of an issue of getting back into the print head. What I'm thinking is I may just go ahead and just take this part off and then do some work from the side, maybe even remove this cover. Because then I can get to it. I can just remove this and then get to it from there. But that may take a little bit of time, so I may do that a different day. For right now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and switch over to a different printer. I'll probably use, I don't know, I'll probably use the XP15000 because I want to do that conversion video. And then we might just be switching over to 7900 till the ET8550 is back. So, but that's it, guys. I'll keep you guys updated on this error and what I do with it. But that's what we got for right now. Can't print on this printer at the moment, so we'll just switch to a different printer. We got like 5 other printers, so we'll make it work. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys have this error, or if you've had this error before and we're able to fix it, let me know if you guys have any advice on that. If not, I'll definitely keep you guys updated on what I'm gonna do. All right.